What's going on YouTube? One of the awesome features of Excel that a lot of people don't know about is you can actually create your own tabs and groups. So here you can see at the top there are some of the default tabs and groups that Excel has, but you can actually create your own. So that way some of the features that might that you use frequently that take a bit to click into or to alt into, you can save some keystrokes and be more efficient. So to do this, you go to File, Options, and then you go to Customize Ribbon. And then here you can click new tab right here, and you can just rename it to whatever you like. You can select a symbol, so you can select this icon right here and say cool group. And then from here you can add different features to it. And there are many I just kind of selected some random, but there are many different options, different commands that you can actually add. So as you can see, some of these different features are not as much on the forefront of Excel, such as add digital signature, accessibility checker, and so forth. And then you're going to want to go to custom tabs and groups and click on custom groups. And if it's not done so, just make sure that it's already added. And if it's not, you're going to make sure to add it. And then you can click OK. And now you can see we have a new tab right here with cool groups and a few different options that we selected. So that being said, I really hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.